If we are working on the real numbers like 3.0 divided by 2.0, then everyone will say that the remainder is 0 and the quiotient is 1.5. Open modulus.java. Here we have double A is equal to 3.0, double B is equal to 2.0, double Q is equal to A division B. A division B results 1.5 with the remainder of 0. We are thinking the remainder as 0 as per our previous mathematical knowledge. If we are dividing it using fractional number, then we have no remainder. Then after we are storing the result of A modulus B, which results the remainder of the A divided by B in the double variable R. And here we are printing the Q and R variables. Save and compile it. Java C modulus.java, compiles fine and then run it. Java modulus. It runs fine, but it's strange. You can see here quiotient is 1.5, but if the quiotient is 1.5, then the remainder must be 0. Means 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3. So remainder should be 0, but remainder here is 1.0. So how this remainder 1.0 comes? Even the question is how a modulus operator can work with the fractional numbers. If the fractional number there is no concept of remainder, let's see how the modulus operator works with the fractional numbers. If you divide the 8.6 by 3.5, then first we check if 3.5 into 1 is equal to 3.5 can be subtracted from the 8.6 or not. Yes, it can. 3.5 can be subtracted from 8.6. Then after we check if the 3.5 into 2 is equal to 7.0 can be subtracted from 8.6 or not. Yes, it can also be subtracted. Then we check if 3.5 into 3 is equal to 10.5 can be subtracted from 8.6 or not. The 10.5 cannot be subtracted from 8.6 to result positive. That's how we will use the biggest number which can be subtracted from 8.6, which is 7.0, and subtract it from the 8.6. Result of the subtraction is 1.6. So in this case my quiotient is 2, whereas the remainder is 1.6. But don't think that the division operator will result 2. Division operator will result a fractional number. The division operator will return the fractional number which after multiplying with 3.5 will be almost equal to 8.6. But in this case, the modulus operator, the percentage operator will return 1.6. Let's check this concept in a program. Vi modulus.java. We have a double variable A is equal to 8.6 as a dividend. We have a double variable B as a 3.5 as a divisor. And we are storing the A divided by B in the double variable Q. And the result of modulus operation, A modulus B, stores in the double variable R. Compile and execute it. Java C modulus.java, compiles fine and then run it. Java modulus. It's showing that the quiotient is 2.4571 and the remainder is 1.5999. If you multiply this number by 3.5, you will get a number which is almost equal to 8.6. But still remainder operator returns the remainder. Since while calculating the remainder, the modulus operator does not try to find the fractional quiotient. So the result of 8.6 float modulus 3.5 float is 1.6. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe this channel if you are new and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.